Right now I'm out here at BCC. I think that's Cole. I think that's Cole and Greg over here. I was waiting for them at local shop. He's the two goon squats over there. Look at him. Look at him with the ricer. The ricer's car. Hey, hey! Hey, what the hell? Who is this? Whoa! There you go. You got my product? Yeah.
We gotta go return the bugs, so come on.
Alright. Oh shit, somebody could get pulled over. Helping the cop us.
Keep on the lookout.
Greg being the lookout person. You see anything yet?
See that ass.
You see that ass. What the fuck is up here? Alright, we're gonna go find a cop. I ain't time to pay for the damn ticket. Best radar detector ever.
Oh shit.
Hold on, I gotta make Snapchat. Who need the radar detector when you get great? Oh wait, I saw the cop. He's in it.
Where?
You saw the cop up the hills over there? He's in it. He's in it.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Hey, see? We can be your radar detector. Okay. We are 65 right now, so should be fine. We can speed up a little bit.
I'll make beep noise every time it's
Radar detector.
The redneck radar detector. Brought to you by...
What kind of car he got?
Shit, that car there.
Damn, the G-Air car is speedy.
Oh shit. Tahoe.
Is that Sean's that?
Sean's dad. Can I see that close? Sean's in there in the passenger seat. Bring your kid to work day.
What the fuck? We need a radar detector when you got Greg's over here. What kind of brand are you, sir?
Kind of brand. Pendle.
Pendle brand. Make sure. Pendle brand.
Sucks so fucking weird looking there.
Is it?
Yeah. Driving, I look through that at the same time. You drive.
Look at the detail. Holy cow. It's crazy. That's awesome. Wow! I got a camera! Thanks, wow! The front of his car can hit it.
It's too low. Yeah, because it's... Front more is a good spot.
What's here?
Other way, bro. It's in reverse. It just wants to go forward. That's right.
That's good, that's good. More, a little more.
No more.
Little more.
Where's that rice burner? Yeah.
Little more.
How much more?
Boy, those are some pretty nice ramps you got there.
Yeah, that should be good.
Nice ramps you got there, Greg.
I got there.
Oh wait, they're mine. Is it gonna be like last time you used them? Oh, we'll just leave them there.
Yo, put on the emergency brake.
No. Yeah, I did. Alright. You put the ramps on a slope. They're just gonna roll back, Greg. I'm not even a mechanic and I know this.
No, it should be fine.
Yeah, I can do it.
Not get on equal.
Yeah, Guppy's got this. Get something for Guppy to land.
No,
Guppy's gonna
It's
lay in
your
the dirt.
car.
I don't want Guppy to lay in the dirt.
Yeah, see, that's why you have to do it.
Yeah, I wore nice jeans.
Why would you wear? Hold on. You don't want to lay in the dirt.
Yeah, go lay in the Go lay in the grass.
Oh, I broke the tooth.
Hey, some actual good equipment.
Are you gonna read the instruction?
We don't need no instructions.
I need to read that.
Hey, come. I think first time you go with the car.
Yeah,
It's like the one you get car wash. Now you can use it for the subwoofer too.
oh, it comes with zip ties. Oh, we didn't need them.
More.
Here, now Princess's back won't hurt.
Yeah.
Here you go, Princess.
You oh.
Move on. A piece of rock foam that you can lay on. Where do we put in a swimwear link in or like slides?
I don't even know.
Are they LED?
There. Yeah, I guess.
No, that's better that they're LED. The other ones suck. 'Cause once you hit something, they fucking break and stop working.
I hit a
used to
lot of
have ones
stuff.
that dance music all around like the cars and everything else.
These are actually metal now, unlike the rubber ones that are on there now. So we could just clip off the old ones.
You have the old one in it?
The old ones are only zip tied on.
How was the camera for?
Oh, a time lapse.
Yeah, that vlog.
Gotta shoot it for my video, YouTube video. I need.
Alright, we're good.
Metro Boomin', that's what I was detecting, you ho. Oh, is that you was talking about?
Yeah.
It was my